Hello everyone, we will try the recent release of a 9-star Tempered Guardian Fulgur Anjana. So another purpose of this video was to improve my English speaking skills. So hindi tayo ganun ka-fluent pero try pa rin natin. And my long sword skills. So syempre gusto natin mag-improve sa long sword dito sa larong neto. So hindi natin main yung long sword pero syempre mas maganda na marami kang alam, di ba? Start na natin. So, katuwaan lang to guys. This is for fun. So, I already beat the quest with a party. I'd like to beat it solo with a palco. So, let's see what will happen. Sana maganda ang resulta. Okay, we have already put the flash bomb. Oh no. I forgot to restock. But it's fine. We will beat it with 8 Mega Potion. Let's try to get a stealth attack. So, can we get a stealth attack? I hope so. No! Okay, can we still get a step attack? Yes. Okay, we still get a step attack. What the? It's unfair, bro. Okay, let's. Nice. Okay, let's back out. Let's prepare. Okay, let's prepare again. Special shits. Bro, come here. Okay. What the? Okay, hit the tail. What the? Hit the tail. Nice. Okay, let's follow him. Hurry. Okay. No. Let's see. Let's heal first. Let's wait for him. Okay. Is there a follow-up? No follow-up. Nice. What the? What the fuck? What's that, bro? No. We're getting slappy. Don't drink. Where's the heal? What the? Hey, Chocobo. Is there a follow-up? Yes. Okay, we touched the follow-up. Let's try to mount. Don't stand. Okay. Max potion. Creation. Oh! No! No! Bakit nagka-zero? Why? Kinakabahan. Guys, I'm nervous, okay? I forgot to restart. No! Okay, matata. Nice. Okay, let's target the tail. Epic fail. Okay. Let's get the tail. Okay. Now the tail. Nice. Hit the tail, bro. Hurry up. Get the red. Nice. Handbreaker the tail. Yes. Hit the tail. Nice. Okay. Get the counter. No, I miss. Oh, he's so fast. Don't. Okay, okay. Wait. Let's stay calm. Let's stay calm. My God, bro. Do I have anything? I have nothing. Nice. Call. Okay. We get that one. Nice. Nice. Get the one. Okay. We're gaming now. We're back. Nice. Nice. Handbreaker. Holy shit, bro. We're gaming. It's nice. He got punched, bro. Nice. Get out. Okay. Let's come. Let's stay calm, okay? I could demand. Oh, no. Wait, bro. It's unfair. I miss. Nudge. What the evasion matter? You fucking stupid. Nice. Got the one. Okay. Breaker. What the? Nice. Okay. Still good. He's tired. Face him. Red gauge. Okay. Panic him. You're going down, bro. You're going down, bro. You're going down, bro. You're going down. Dodge. Oh, I'm going down. Let's hear. No! No, are you stupid, bro? That's high. Okay. Let's count. Okay, let's keep. Okay. My pet was stupid. Okay. Let's sharpen. Okay. Let's get the tail first. Then we will try to sneak if possible. Okay. If it's possible. I don't think if it's possible. Okay. My mantle is already expired. So I can sneak. I can yeah, okay. I can now. Let's try to sneak. Man, I miss it. Okay. No. Okay. Remove the mantle. Okay. Let's reposition. Reposition. Okay, what do we it's too early. Nice. Fucking shit. Okay. We packed that. Okay guys, we packed that. What? Okay, we missed. No, what's happening? What's happening, guys? Handbreaker. Please let it hit. Nice. Okay. One. Okay. Get it red. No! No, it doesn't go red! Punish him! Punish him, bro! Punish him! Punish him, bro! Dodge! Punish him, bro! Dodge again! Punch it! Counter! Counter! Handbreaker! For the finishing! Nice! Nice! He doesn't go down! He got tempered wound! Tempered wound! Oh no! I'm going down! Yes! That's... Get the wound! Get the wound! No! He's stupid! What's happening, bro? Hey, guys, can you help me paralyze this bitch? This fucking piece of shit! Okay, okay, we will target the fucking moon. We will target the fucking moon, okay? It's going down. It's going down, bro. Get the red gauge, get the red gauge, get the red gauge. Punish him, punish him, punish him, bro. No, no, I miss. I come over to me. No, no, I'm getting punished, bro. Okay, 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 okay. He got paralyzed. He got paralyzed. Let's start with Handbreaker. Nice. Nice, nice. Where's the other tempered wound? Nice. Okay, okay. Nice. Okay, back down, back down. Okay, we get the red gauge. No! Why are you still attacking, bro? No! Ah, okay, okay. Are you dead? No, he's not dead. Why? Bakit lakas pala itong hype na to? Why? Ano yun? Capcom! What the fuck? Muna pa ata ako sa kanya. Good. Let's stay calm. Okay, okay. How do we... Okay. Monk tap. No. No, no, no. Panic. Okay, okay. It's dying, bro. It's dying. It's dying, bro. Okay. Okay. We're back. We're back. Okay. Let's steal him. Get the red gauge. Get the red gauge. No. Nice. Handbreaker. Handbreaker. No. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. So let's heal first. Let's not be greedy. Drop, drop. No, he doesn't down. Get the wound, get the wound, get the wound. Nice one, nice one. Die! Die, you piece of shit! Die, you piece of shit, bro! Are you dying? Are you dying, bro? No, no, no! Catch him! Chocobo, hurry up! Bro! Faster! Feeling to... No! What the... You're cheering! Coming down the road. Oh, no. Ano na takot niya? So, ano ba nangyari sa'yo? Napili. Napinansya ko pa ko. Let's drink potion first. Then we'll do a surprise and break. No, the red gauge gone. Give me a red gauge. Give me a red gauge. Finish him. Finish him. Nice. Finish him. Nice. Okay, guys, he's dead. Let's grab him. Let's grab him. He's dead. No. No. Wait, bro. Let me finish. Let me finish. No, no. Oh, he missed. Stupid. Okay, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Okay, GG's. So, sana ma-enjoy nyo, na-enjoy nyo guys. GG.